Today we'll talk about how can you find the marketing home on your Wix app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click here or manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on marketing, just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on marketing home, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find all marketing you have here. So it's going to show for you. So it's going to show for you like this here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking,